In this video, we are going to learn about a group sender by using bulk WhatsApp sender software. First, open the bulk WhatsApp sender software. And next, click on the group sender icon. By using group sender, if you want to send a bulk messages in groups, so we can select a group sender. And next, here upload your Excel file. And next, here type your message what you want, for example. And next, here set your delay settings. And next, if you want to provide an image, file, video or etc. related to that message, click on add file button. Here upload your image, file, video or etc. whatever you want. And next, if you want to put a caption, here type your caption with respect to the column of the file. For example, special offer. And next, click on the start campaign button. Here enter your campaign name. For example, sales promotion. And next, click on the OK. And next, click on the click to initiate button. Here Chrome is open automatic. Then scan your WhatsApp web by using QR code. And next, click on the start button. By using group sender, we can send a bulk messages in all groups.